Okay, these prints are new to my stores. They have a complete set. They have the bowl, the mug, the glass, and the plate. Now we're gonna try to do the two tiers. So one bowl and one plate, and put glue in between, and voila! And have you tried this one, the menstrual heat patch? This is new to my store. I want maybe it helps you during your cramping days, and the Bat Bum, the brand, releasing a new items, and have I have not tried. And this like a pen holder, I think it look good if you try to paint it. Um, I've seen this storage like in a social media. They're using it to put the snacks, candies, but I have not seen where to look if it's food grade. Can you tell me? Isn't it cute, the bunny dispenser? I found it somewhere, and I think I'm gonna use it to put my pills dispenser or my tablet dispenser. That will fit into the hole. There are so many Barbie accessories. There's like a pet Barbie. I cannot wait. I won't be surprised if they're gonna have dollar 25 Barbie doll. Let's so it's not gonna happen. Probably like a $5 Barbie doll. These toys are good to put and add on to their Easter basket. There's a Barbie. They have a complete Barbie accessories. I like Barbie. And here you go, another egg dispenser. Isn't it cute? I'm gonna put my peels there on tablets. Let's find out. I'm trying to figure it out how to use this planter. It's new to my stores. Okay, so I tried to put it there. Oh, it's gonna fall up. Maybe if you put soils and plant. Um, I think it is stackable in a different way, but we'll figure it out later. And they have the big one and this tiny one. Isn't it cute? They're three and one. And I'm thinking what I'm gonna put in there. Okay, we're back again to the toys, and that's the little pony. As like I said earlier, there's a lot of toys and fully stocked up. But my boys love the Minecraft minifigures. I'm gonna add to their basket. I only got one and see what's inside because I thought it's kind of like a smooth, slimy, or but it's not. We will open up later and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so what's inside is this one. It's not slimy, it's not flashy, it's like the hard one. And then I think I'm gonna get more. So you have a complete set. Um, okay, that's the barcode. And there's no. Oh, this. Here's the new one, guys. Hello, tabletop light. LED, color changing. 7 colors. The other one, I got this one. They're still using it up to now. Uh-huh. Have you used the leaf scrubber? Let me know. It comes with a two-piece for $1.25. I have not tried it. Maybe you can tell me. Okay, I never thought this is exists. This, but baby diaper applicator. I think that is really good help. And the fruit feeder. I think this is genius. You just put in there. How does it? Yeah, fruit feeder. Let me know if you already tried this because I think it's genius. And this one is anybody tried the Bio 360 probiotics for $1.25 for your immune system? Those are the ingredients. Um, I'm really, you know, I want to try it, but I ended up not getting it. Maybe you can try it. Okay, this Oreo crazy socks. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add this one for their Easter basket. And the Nissan cup noodles. Oh, and the macaroni and cheese. My boys love all of this. The Swedish fish, the Oreo, the mac and cheese. Oh, anybody like the Star Trek? I think those are good to add on their Easter basket. There's so many new items. Oh, and looks like if the cracks has the charms, the flip flop have a charms too. Let me try it. I'm gonna grab one and see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the crazy sock Swedish fish. I think we're gonna get the candies too. And then you need the basket buddies to design your basket. Yes. What do you think? Look, this is cute, and look at this one. The other one, they have a different shape, but we'll see what we could do about this one. Possibilities are endless. There's so much thing we can do for this one. So this is what I did. You can do whatever you want to do. So I put my condiments in there. I just added some lime, you know. You don't need to put in napkins, but I had to. But you don't need to. Just look. I finally have the MS Store. Okay. So I grabbed this tree and then I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna put, I just hang it on by my kitchen. I think I'm gonna put snacks or fruits or, I'm not sure. But we will figure it out. Okay, so this is not for Crocs, for flip-flop. I don't know, but we'll try. They have the watermelon, love, dolphin, and lemon. That one, look, this is the behind one. And then, if we're gonna use this one for the Crocs, I think you just need to cut this one out. And we will try to use it for the flip-flops too. Gonna try, like on that one. You just need to pull. Yep. Make sure it's tightened up. Look. Ta-da! I used it in my Crocs. Now we're gonna use the other part, the other pair to the on the flip flops. Okay guys, I had to figure it out how to put the accessories, but I think I did good. I'm not sure. Yeah. So for $1.25 it comes two pairs. So I used the other one, the other pair, I put it on my Crocs and this on my flip-flops. Yeah. So when you wear it, yeah. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? If just run to your dollar store. Okay, this is new for me, my store. Cleaner with bleach powered by peroxide. Sounds like chemical. Okay, we'll read. Hydrogen peroxide, bleaching agent, blah, and fragrance, and blah, and blah. Well, it's up to you. You might want to run to your dollar store. Look. I did not open this. I did not. But this is how it looks. So I think bra, socks, maybe in your closet. Right there. It's $1.25. And they have like this to put under your bed, I guess. Your blanket, sweater. It's $1.25. I don't know how big it is. I can't find any open because I don't want to open. You're gonna need the receipt book for your business. I have date from cash check, money order, credit card. So many spring plants. Like on the bottom one, like the pink one. Okay, you're building a puzzle. Enjoy the little things. Believe you can. Life is an adventure. Never look back. So you just build it by yourself. Cool, huh? shoot. There you go. Mini basketball hoop. Add there to their Easter basket. We'll see how it goes. Oh, they have a floaty now. The outer. Oh, it light up. That is cool. Fun hand. And toys. Oh, what is this? Oh, emoji on. Look at them. They are so cute. It comes with pink, green, blue, purple. They're so cute. I mean, I think I'm just gonna grab pink and also this one, but I already decorated. I think I'm already done decorating for Easter. Now, what I'm looking is for the toys that I'm gonna add on to their Easter basket. Guys, that's it for today. And don't forget to give me like, share, and subscribe. And it's Ma'am Sky. Bye.